Hi, and welcome to BTMSoft. In this tutorial, we will go through list and selection of business files. After you log in, you will see this screen with a list of all business files that you have access to. Adding new business is covered in another tutorial. If you have more files, you can use the search function. You can also order the list by connection date. This column shows your last connection. It does not refer to other users. You can choose up to 5 favorite files. Their names will appear here on the list next time you log in. To access the file, simply click on its name. If you need to change the business file, go to Settings, Change Business File. You will be transferred back to this screen.